adventure.
An adventure.
Adventure. You want to come?
Yeah, Charlie. We're going to Candy Mountain. Yeah.
Oh, my grandpa, I heard.
My grandpa. There's glitter on the ground over there. And a squirrel.
Yeah.
Squirrel.
There's a squirrel over there.
The squirtle?
Yeah.
Ain't no squirtle turtle. What you talking about? Why are there bleachers? Why are there bleachers?
To watch the horseshoes.
People legit come to watch people play horseshoes. Why? They like tournaments?
Some people are good at it, babe.
Really?
Yeah, like you're not.
No, I fall.
You're awful.
Yeah.
And falling holes and shit.
I didn't see that hole when I stepped there, so I fell.
Some people are really good at it and they have like tournaments and stuff.
Hear the cicadas? So peaceful out. I have never been down here that I can recall. And I don't have tennis shoes on.
I don't either. Somebody spray painted a Nazi symbol over there.
Well, how nice of them.
Okay.
People have nothing better to do. We're exploring. Don't get poison ivy. Welcome to the jungle.
We got fish fillets.
We got fish fillets. There's not like poison ivy, is there? How do you know? I am not a nature kind of girl, just so y'all know. This is so gross. I don't know. Oh! Man, oh man. Honey, I can't go down there. I got flip-flops on.
So do I.
How am I going to get down in the dirt? I'm going to fall. I can't get down this hill in flip-flops.
I did.
Yeah, but
So what?
you're gifted.
I'm gifted.
Yeah. Help me.
I can't, that's mud.
See?
And I guess you ain't coming down there.
I'm stuck.
I did.
Should I take my shoes off?
If you want to.
Oh my god. This is freaking me out. I'm gonna fall.
You don't have to come down here, you don't have to.
I want to, but I can't. I should have wore tennis shoes, dang it. Now I've got one shoe off and I'm still not doing anything. Ew.
It's a little muddy.
Yeah.
So,
You fell? You alright? Oh my god. That's why I didn't come down there. You alright? This is what I get for trying to be adventurous. I know the bottom of my foot's all gross.
Huh?
I said the bottom of my foot is all gross.
Oh, mine are muddy.
Ow!
See, look.
Yo! Dude, you're all dirty now.
Huh?
So now you're all dirty. You know, when we went down to the football field at like 4 o'clock in the morning, I didn't see that big old F on the bleachers. I think that's enough for one video.